Yeah?
It's bigger.
It's such a big wheel.
And this one is smaller. Well,
Yeah,
it's
the
same
back
as
wheel's
me.
always bigger, isn't it?
Well, it's the same as me. This wheel is 4 years old.
4 years old.
How it's all
Video. Oh, he's actually steering. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Go on, Eric, Farmer Eric. Steering. Wow.
Down.
Down he goes. Okay.
And can you grab silage?
Do you want to grab silage? Okay. We'll let us, Eric,
Eric,
drive
have a go.
to the yard. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Paddy first.
Wow.
I'm going in that one, Eric.
Let's go in the other one.
No.
okay, hold on.
Say thank you so much.
Let's
Was it amazing? I saw you. I saw you steering. Was that amazing? They both drove it.
Austin, did you try the tractor?
This is bigger.
Oh yeah, this is the older one, isn't it?
Yeah. Put the seat down.
Hello, pussy. Hello. Whoa. Well done.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh,
Too muddy, is it?
licky.
For you.
Oops. Oh, and then they
It's the
suck.
smell. Sticks.
Okay, I'll do that.
They'll come off in a month.
Yeah, follow you around.
Oh. Oh.
Got some hay. Right over there.
I'm here. I'm here. Me?
Oh, come on.
Ooh, they're keen.
Oh, there's someone down there.
What are these things? One of the kids.
Oh, this is just like in the video, isn't it? Wow, that went down quick.
Right, just stop. That'll get the win. Only fortnight old. The other's a month.
Amazing, isn't it?
Wow.
Wow.
He's only 2 weeks old. What's then?
2 weeks old.
The hours they stay on them.
Oh, come on.
Wow.
Ah. Oh.
They're good.
Hello.
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 Really? Okay.
Yeah, cochen.
Hard. Hard. Yeah.
Is it fun being on a farm, Eric?
Yeah.
You've gone on a real farm. Did you see the real calves?
Yeah.
You drove a tractor?
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, you drove that one.
This one.
Yeah, and you sat in that one. And you beeped the horn. Oh, wow.
Eric, do you have blocks in your Wellingtons? Like, what's it?
Do you have stones in your wellies?
Do you have stones in your willies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's tiny, that one.
2.
That's tiny.
We'll have to get you a video of you with one.
I'll cut it, yeah. Oh.
Look at
Yeah.
this one.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're giving him a hug.
Tiny. Oh.
How is it holding a little lamb, Austin? Do you like holding a little lamb?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
She wants a picture of him
Yes.
kissing her, like I had of his. It's stunning.
Every little tiny.
If you get it up like this,
Wow.
and you come here. So if you hold, yeah, and then one hand holding, and then one hand under the chin. They can wash their hands like that.
It's just
Do you want to hold the bottle?
for them.
Yeah. Hold the bottle here then. So what? Yeah, the milk's warm.
Yeah.
Do you like milk?
Yeah.
Yeah. This lamb likes milk as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Milk.
Maybe we can have it if we can. Can we have it standing up?
Yeah.
They'll eat the same. Okay. Do you want to try and just give
at
him the
eating.
teat like this?
Yeah, we'll see.
Perhaps you won't close.
Ah. I'm making a mess.
Oh.
It went.
Like this?
Yeah. I would position. Yeah. There you go. And then so you put this hand under here.
Thank you, Austin.
Yeah.
Look at Eric. You're feeding the lamb. Yeah.
And can you feed this one as well?
I think that one
That
is
one's
full.
got a mum.
That's
Okay.
he drinks milk from his mummy.
Yeah.
You want the
Feeding.
bellies on?
There you go.
Eric, are you holding his lamb?
Here we go. Here you are, mummy.
Back to mummies. Back to mummies.
Oh. Thank you.
Tiny.
Look how small.
It's tiny, Mommy.
You see?
Yeah.
Sure. It's the right one.
It is really tiny, isn't it?
Fabregas?
There.
Fabregas?
Ooh. Wow. Wow.
Hey, 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 hey.
What?
You're backing up, what?
They know they're people. They can, like the cows.
I don't like cows.
They-
Do
they-
anything with the sheep, but not cows. Austin, come here.
Oh, he's okay. He's quiet today.
Why do they have the rings on their nose? So you can control them if you need to.
They're supposed to, yeah.
All right, with the hook.
But if you did grab the ring,
Yeah.
it's some sort of much.
Really?
But to grab
So
the ring is another thing.
All right. Hello.
Can you buy a new JCB?
Don't need a new one. We'll buy a new one when this one's broken.
Yeah. Okay.
Some of them, they're just,
Oh, yeah, windows,
they're
yeah.
just with GPS, they're just...
Dad, mijn mama wil groeien.
I used to have a-
Wow.
Austin, look.
Hello. Oh, wow. They are beautiful.
Horses.
Hello.
The best.
Ik heb niet voor te geven.
Ah.
Oh, now you're talking.
Can I get
Lovely. Thank you.
It's Meg.
This is best.
In Welsh, Austin, pig is called mochyn. Mochyn. Sounds like a pig, doesn't it?
a muffin?
Mochyn.
Not a muffin. Careful now.
Not a muffin.
Yo.
Oh!
Here we are.
Oh! Oh! Mwah.
Say thank you so much.
Oh!
Austin, say diolch.
Yeah.
Close up. Mwah.
No.
Bye! Mwah.
Okay. And this is the family chain.
This is embarrassing.